Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, July 10th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I'll start with this weekly chart. This spans a couple of years of activity, and I've been saying this now for months. A longer term, 1 year plus rising channel bottom that we've tested essentially a couple times in the last 3 months. 366.35 is our base of support. Can contain selling not only through the rest of July, but through the rest of the year, above which we could see 545.60 by the end of the year. That actually becomes a 3 to 5 month or sooner objective if we were to close above this descending channel top that is at 438.11 this week and dropping. This 438.11 formation, you can see, has done a pretty good job of containing buying pressures. So we're in this wedge, 366.35 to 438.11. We could continue trading inside of this through the rest of July. Ceiling of resistance, sellable resistance, 3 to 5 week swing traders, 438.11, and buyable support, 3 to 5 week and 3 to 5 month swing traders at 366.35. Once again, if we close above 438.11, and that's not happening today, but if we did by a 1% margin, that's 442.49 or higher today, 545.60 becomes a realistic 3 to 5 month or sooner, probably more like 2 to 3 month objective where we could top out well into 27. Let's jump into the daily chart here. You've got that 438.11 formation is 434.32 on the daily chart. And we've come off of that area. We came very close to testing it, I should say, as you might agree, about a week ago. And so there is still this susceptibility to full rotation back into the 360s. We don't have a clear signal for that over the next few days unless we close today below 387.80. So we're in this kind of buying 387.80 day traders and even perhaps 3 to 5 day swing traders, and selling 421.56 day traders and even 3 to 5 day swing traders back into the upper 380s, buying the upper 380s, selling the low 420s.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
Inside of that range I've already mentioned between the 360s and 430s. Now, I don't see it today, but if we did close above 421.56, then you can anticipate Monday a test of the 430s. 434.32, descending channel top on the daily chart, and 438.11, once again, descending channel top on the weekly chart right here. Able to contain buying through July into August, and from here we can fall back again, and if we close above this area, 545.60 likely by the end of the year or sooner. Let's take a look at the downside, that if we did close today below 387.80, that does signal yet another test of the 360s, 366.35, that long-term support level I've already mentioned, and 363.03. We are susceptible to full rotation anyway, having come off that, this area about a week ago. Now, do I expect the 360s? No, but I certainly do not discount that possibility given this kind of rotational sequence that we've seen over the last couple of months. If we were to test the 360s over the next 3 to 5 days, which once again becomes clearly indicated with a settlement today below 387.80, it is an area to cover any short position you may have established and to consider going long, whether it's day trading 3 to 5 days back to 387.80, 3 to 5 weeks back into the 430s, or 3 to 5 months all the way up into the 540s, as I've already expressed. So last thing I'm going to say, and it's not going to happen today, today, but it's just kind of a heads up that if we did close below 366.30 over the next week or so, it does need to be by a 1% margin. This week's level is 362.68, that if settled there or lower today would signal not only 307.71 by the end of August or sooner, but 226.88 by the end of the year, where we could bottom out well into 27. I think I've said it all. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We put out 2 stock picks this week. We'll put out 2 next week. Daily NVIDIA, Daily SPY, Daily Triple Q are all there waiting for you to use by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 2-week free trial. I will be back, of course, a Sunday with Monday's Daily Tesla Report. You have a great weekend.